How to create a poll on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about creating a poll on WhatsApp. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open the group chat where you want to create the poll. Now tap on the attachment icon in your keyboard that is beside the camera icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open a new menu where you need to go ahead and tap on the poll option that is between audio and event. Simply go ahead and write your question in the top of the screen. Now add options in the bottom. As you fill in each option, a new one will appear. Choose whether to allow multiple answers. Toggle the option if you want to allow. Then tap on send from the bottom right corner of your screen. And people in the group can now vote, and you'll see the results appear. You can also vote too. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.